Hey guys, in this video we're going to test out a few free acoustic drum VST instrument plugins. All these plugins are sample based and sound like a real drum kit, and they're really impressive considering that they're free. We'll link to all of these plugins in the video description so you can check them out and test them on your own. Anarchy Drums by It Might Get Loud Productions is a simple free drum kit instrument plugin based on samples. It's got one kit that includes a kick, snare, two toms, and cymbals, each with a lot of different microphones on them, all of which can have their levels controlled from the mixer view on the second page. They describe this plugin as the sound of 1990s California punk, and that's exactly what it does, from the sound all the way to the visuals. But it's really a lot more versatile than that, especially since you can control all the different microphone levels. The last page has MIDI routing controls for the entire kit, and options for the number of outputs it uses, which can be stereo or up to 16 channels with everything separated to mix it in the DAW instead of the plugin. My one complaint is that the plugin is sent by email after subscribing to a mailing list, but you can unsubscribe from that if you wanted to after. Empty Power Drum Kit 2 is a very simple drum VST instrument plugin that features a single sampled kit. What I like about this kit is how clean it sounds and how easy it is to use, which means I use it on a lot of projects since it's so versatile. It's got a mixer control to adjust the levels of the different parts of the kit, and signal routing to send them to different channels. It's also got a lot of different MIDI samples to create a beat with a built-in beat editor that can be used to drag clips onto the timeline in your DAW. This plugin is free, but does have a nag page every time you start it up asking you to donate, and it's muted until you bypass this page, so you do have to do that every time you reopen your project. SI Drums by Cakewalk is a free drum plugin included in Cakewalk by BandLab. It's got 26 drum kits with a few sample MIDI beats, and all the drum kits can be controlled with tuning, panning, and volume. The overall kit has controls for volume, reverb, and compression as well. The great thing about this plugin is the number of options we have to tweak our sound with all the kits. Unlike the other plugins, this one is installed with Cakewalk by BandLab, so you do need to install that, and then add it into whatever digital audio workstation you use, but we do have a video on doing that. Drum Mica from Sennheiser uses the Native Instruments Contact Player to create a drum kit from thousands of different samples. This kit provides numerous microphone options for all parts of the kit, MIDI beats that can be imported to the project, and a mixer to get the right balance in the kit. This plugin includes one kit, and it's incredibly well done and worth getting. Everything in it sounds like a real kit, and the different velocities are amazing as well. Even transitioning from an open to close hi-hat works really well. Let's give this plugin a listen using some of the included MIDI clips that it comes with. Thanks for checking out this video on free acoustic drum VST instrument plugins. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon to get a notification whenever a new video is released. You can also check the video description for products featured in this video and social media links.